All right, guys. So InvestorLift is another way we use to JV. And what InvestorLift is, it's a community, a marketplace of wholesalers that they post their deals on this website and try to sell them. So you can go on here and look at deals that wholesalers have and analyze them and see if you have a buyer for them. So you can either sign in and go by area, or you can just look on the right side if you don't want to sign in. So for example, Peoria, Illinois, if I wanted to take this further, I see that they're asking 25. I would get the address by signing in, take that address, run some comps, and see if I feel like there's a big enough spread. If there isn't a big enough spread, you can message the dispositions manager and say, hey, Alyssa, I have some buyers out there. Would you be interested in, JVing if I can bring a buyer? And usually they're always open if they're able to make their money. You can do the split, the 50-50 split, or you can just add your fee on top. You got some pictures to help you analyze the property, whether you think it's, the repairs that would need to be done. But the important step of this is being able to analyze the deal, run the comps, and see if you think you can move it, and having relationships with buyers in that area that you think you could quickly sell it. Because if you go to Peoria and you have no idea what's going on in Peoria, it's probably gonna be hard for you to find someone too, unless you know, or you have a good list there, or you know how to pull a list and market to it. But before I do any of that, I'd do a quick investigation analysis of the property, see if you think it's at a good deal, and I'd contact them because they might have already moved it. So it's important to talk to the dispo manager before you get into doing a ton of work. So InvestorLift, a great place to find JV deals, along with getting on people's buyers lists and Facebook groups, Craigslist. So that's just another way to find deals.